Get ready for dictation. One, two, three, start. Sir, the problems of the company audit, the difficulties experienced by the junior auditors, and the complaints of the audit profession in relation to these companies are before the government, and a comprehensive amending bill was introduced in this House in 1992, which was referred to the select committee of both houses of parliament, in which I happen to be a member, where elaborate evidence was recorded not only from the chambers of commerce and industry but also from the chartered accountants and also others who had the special knowledge of the working of the companies. All these aspects were considered, and the committee come to the conclusion of fixing the number of companies an auditor personally or a firm of auditors could audit fee at 20. Therefore, the mover could have withdrawn this bill and introduced another after the amendment to the company law came into force. One of the reasons advanced by the mover is that the social concept should be introduced into auditing, by which perhaps he means that there should be dispersal of audit work among the thousands of members of audit profession. I respectfully submit that this is not possible. No work can be distributed because some auditors have little work or are starving, and some work should be given to them. This is not possible. An auditor, like a lawyer or a doctor, should have a reputation which should enable him to get the work of audit of a company. Naturally, companies would select auditors or firms of auditors who have a reputation in their profession. Therefore, it is not possible to introduce the social concept in auditing in fixing the number of companies. A firm of auditors should be allowed to audit under the Act. His second point is that monopoly should be broken. The cry against monopoly is common nowadays, that there should be no monopoly houses. There should be no monopoly and all that. If an auditor has attracted the audit work of a number of companies to himself, how can you say it is a monopoly? When an auditor has no work because he has not earned a reputation in the field, how can there be a complaint that he is not occupied? This happens in every profession. Only a few lawyers get the work. Work is concentrated among a few doctors. How can the others in the profession complain?